Agents of pollination. Wind, water, insects, mammals, and the birds are the various agents of pollination. They help in the pollination for the plants from the one flower to the another. Wind pollination. The pollination by wind is called anemophily. Wind blows pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower. Such flowers are small, not brightly colored, and do not produce nectar. Pollens are light, so they can easily blown away with the wind. These pollens are open to the environment and the stigma is protrudes outside and strongly branched. Example: wheat, rice, maize, etc. Pollination by water. Pollination by water is called hydrophily. In most aquatic plants such as seagrass, hydrilla is usually carried out by water. Pollination by water is known as hydrophily. The pollens of water pollinated flowers fall into the water and slowly carried to other flower by water current. Pollination by insect is called anemophily. Many insects visit flower to collect nectar. During the process, some pollen grains stick to the body of these insects. When these insects visit to the another flower, the pollen grains falls on the stigma. The pollen grains of these flowers are usually rough and sticky and they show spiny outgrowth. Examples: hibiscus, sweet pea and orchids. Pollination by birds and mammals are called zoophily. This is form of pollination where pollen is carried and dispersed by birds and mammals like hummingbirds, bats, monkeys, apes, etc. Brightly colored flower, nectar and appealing shape and patterns are the characteristics of these flowers. Example: arctium and the echina.